You watch this dance. And somehow it feels emotional. But can you explain why? Most people say it's cute, it's nice, but that is not enough. Today, I will show you better words. Simple, but powerful. Welcome back to Dear Teacher Lee, wherein we don't just watch dances, but we learn and try to sound smarter as we go along. When you watch this part, and it reminds you of your childhood, that feeling has a name. Nostalgia. It means missing a moment that feels like home. Not just remembering, but feeling it. When the dancers move together and you feel warmth, that is called belonging. The need to feel accepted, to feel part of something. Sometimes you feel something, but you cannot explain it. That is emotional resonance. You know, when something connects with you without needing any words. This dance is not just about movement. It shows who they are, where they are coming from. That is identity. Identity. A story you carry even without telling to people about it. Look at this moment. They're fully focused, completely in the movement. That is flow state. You know, when you do something, you are so engaged in that activity that you forget everything else. Now you see it differently, right? It is no longer just a dance. You are not just watching. You are understanding. Notice how the movements are small, but powerful. This is expressive minimalism. Less movement, but more meaning. So next time you watch something like this, don't just say, it's nice, it's cute, that's okay, but that's very basic. Why not elevate your vocabulary? Say something better. Because when you name what you feel, you sound different. Think differently. People notice. So which one did you feel the most? Nostalgia, belonging, or something else? Comment it below. See you around.